Hey guys, it's Tiana and this is
Ati-vie.
and we have a special guest today.
It's Whiskey. And me. Hi. Hi 20 subscribers.
So, we're in Mexico today, right, Stevie?
Yep.
And we're eating, I guess,
We're in Puerto Nuevo,
Puerto Nuevo en
Rosarito, Mexico.
Rosarito, Mexico. I guess I'll show you guys when our food gets here.
Gracias, gracias.
Our soup is here.
Tortilla soup.
It's not our meal yet, but I'll show you guys when the meal is here. So once again, good morning. And our food is here.
Sí.
And Whiskey's plate. Yay.
And Whiskey's plate.
Gracias.
Whiskey, are you gonna eat that whiskey?
He is. I'm gonna feed it to him.
Oh, okay. Stevie, what did you get?
Some rice,
Hubby, here.
some rice, and some
Quesadilla.
quesadillas and a
Guacamole.
I got shrimp and rice, beans and rice, and everything looks so good. And even Whiskey has a plate. Anything you want to say before we leave, Stevie?
By the way, who is Whiskey? It's a dog who
Stevie,
lives
watch
in
it.
California.
Thank you.
And he's so cool that he lives in California.
Shout out to Whiskey.
Me lo bebo.
Okay,
The tortillas are good, man.
make sure to put on post notifications and subscribe. Goodbye.
And put the bell notification. And also
Gracias.
share.